In this video I try to shed light on an essential virtue that so often gets overlooked in our fast-paced and judgmental society: understanding and forgiveness. In a world where criticism and complaints have become the norm, it is imperative that we cultivate these qualities within ourselves and spread their positive influence to transform lives. It is easy to criticize, complain, and condemn. It takes little effort or thought to find fault in others or point out their mistakes. Sadly, this has become the default response for a majority of people. We are bombarded with negativity from all angles, be it social media, news outlets, or even personal interactions. This constant barrage of criticism fuels hatred, breeds division, and stifles personal growth. But, my friends, we can rise above this. True strength lies in understanding and forgiveness. It's about having the ability to look beyond someone's actions and search for the underlying reasons. When we choose to understand, we open the door to empathy, compassion, and unity. We begin to see the world through a lens of shared experiences rather than isolating differences. Understanding is not a sign of weakness but a display of immense strength. It requires us to set aside our preconceived notions and biases and open our hearts and minds to new perspectives. It challenges us to listen attentively, not just to hear, but to truly comprehend the thoughts and emotions of others. By doing so, we bridge the gap between ourselves and those around us, nurturing harmony and tolerance. Yet, understanding alone is not enough. Forgiveness is the fuel that powers this harmony. Forgiveness is not about forgetting or condoning the wrongdoings of others. It is about freeing ourselves from the burdens of anger, resentment, and bitterness. It is a gift we offer ourselves and others, unbinding us from the chains of negativity and fostering personal growth. To forgive is to acknowledge our shared humanity, the fact that we all make mistakes, we all stumble and fall. It is a conscious decision to let go of resentments and embrace the transformative power of second chances. When we forgive others, we release the heavy weight of judgment and resentment from our hearts, allowing love and understanding to flourish. Now, you may be wondering, how can we cultivate these virtues within ourselves? How can we become beacons of understanding and forgiveness in a world that so desperately needs it? Firstly, let us practice self-reflection. Take a moment to look within and recognize our own flaws and imperfections. By acknowledging our own capacity for making errors and needing forgiveness, we become more compassionate towards others' mistakes. This self-awareness serves as a reminder that we can, and should, extend the same grace and understanding to those around us. Secondly, let us practice active listening. In a world filled with noise and distractions, we often forget the value of truly hearing someone's story. Listening attentively provides the opportunity to learn from others, to find commonalities, and to discover the beauty inherent in diversity. This act of actively listening allows us to understand more deeply and respond with compassion and empathy, rather than with criticism. Lastly, let us practice gratitude. Gratitude helps us recognize the positive aspects of each person and situation we encounter. It helps shift our focus from the flaws and shortcomings to the strengths and virtues present in others. By cultivating gratitude, we create an atmosphere of positivity and understanding, uplifting not only ourselves but everyone we come into contact with. The power of understanding and forgiveness knows no bounds. They have the potential to heal wounds, repair broken relationships, and inspire personal growth within ourselves and those around us. Imagine a world where understanding and forgiveness prevail, where criticism is replaced with compassion, and complaint is replaced with solution-seeking. Together, we can create that world. So, let us rise above the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Let us become beacons of understanding and forgiveness, shining a light on the path toward unity, empathy, and personal growth. Let us show the world that character and self-control are not only noble virtues but also powerful catalysts for positive change.